Hello friends, welcome to our channel, and in this video I will also tell you how you can easily copy your Instagram link. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, also put your likes, write comments, and let us get started with you. So friends, open your Instagram, and then you need to go to your page. And here you will be able to find this kind of Share Profile button on your page. Click on that. And here you will be able to see that you have several options. The first option is a QR code to your page. But if you're not happy with the QR code option, there are two more options at the bottom. This is you can share your profile all at once. Let's say click, and you can share it with any absolutely user on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp, and so on. And also friends, here you'll be able to copy your Instagram link. That way, when you copy the link afterward, you can, let's say, go to Instagram Conversations, and here, when you click, select Paste, and send that link. So friends, as you can see, that sends a link to a specific person's page. The same thing you can do with absolutely anything else. For example, some social network, further Messenger, you can do it in Facebook, you can do it in Telegram, just in messages, and so on. So this link, it will work absolutely everywhere. This is the very simple and quick way you can easily copy the link to your Instagram. Friends, I really hope this video was useful and helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes under the video, write comments. See you soon.